instead of making a simple makeup tutorial video for you all, so I'll do LALISA's makeup tutorial, inspired makeup tutorial, LALISA's from Blackpink. So I hope you guys will enjoy watching it. So firstly, I'll just put a little moisturizer. I won't use foundation or any type of like concealer and so on because I don't know how to use it. So I'll just put this moisturizer first. Moisturizer done, and then next I'll apply a little bit of this shade. Okay, I think I'll this one. Okay, I'll put this shade. So this is the one. This is the one. So I'll just put it there. I don't know how to make up a bit as well, but I'll just follow the simple steps. Just put it like this. So it's done. And next, eyeliner. So I think someone came to my house. But yeah, so this one, just put it a little bit, okay?
Hello.
How? Wait, okay. So sorry. Someone came to my house, so I had to go there. So I'll just continue with just put like this on this side. So I think it's done. I'll just darken it a bit. My eyeliner. Now eyelashes. So I'll just use this one. And then you just put mascara, okay? Just put this one. Mascara. Just do this. I think it's done for my eyes, and then now wait, okay. For my lips, I'll use this one, and then where is the other one? So I'll just comb my bangs. This. And then for my lips, I'll use this one and this one. I like this color, it's actually getting over. And I'll just put this and this one. So firstly, I'll apply this one here. It looks funny, right? But let's put this. Just blend it like this. lip oil as well. So this is my lip oil, so I'll just apply it. So it's done, and then next it's brush. So you need a brush, and this one I'll just apply this a bit here. So just a combination of this one and this one. Okay, so it's just a little bit of this. So it's done, okay, and then you just need to comb it a bit. So finally done, and let me show you the result. So that's it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.